The CUMI India factory is renowned for manufacturing premium abrasives since 1954. With a 70-year legacy of making in India and delivering quality products with customer centricity, CUMI is now proud to introduce the new Speed 500 diamond blades. These blades are specifically designed for wall cutting and are produced in CUMI's brand new manufacturing facility. Each Speed 500 blade is meticulously crafted by incorporating extensive research into its design. A blend of assorted powder materials is skillfully combined with high-quality diamond grades to create a product that cuts faster and lasts longer. The mixed materials are fed into the automatic molding press. High-yield strength steel blank is used as the central core of the blade, onto which the mixture of metal powders is cold pressed and attached. The product goes through multiple stages of finishing for a defined geometry and balance. The blade blanks are elegantly polished and then passed on to an automated bore reaming machine for the bore to be precisely reamed. This allows the blades to precisely mount onto angle grinders and tile cutters for their intended use. The outer surfaces of the blades are finished to define tolerances in an OD grinding process. The segment surfaces are finished to specific dimensions and then processed for rust preventive coating. CUMI's Speed 500 blades go through rigorous quality control checks to ensure that every single blade delivered meets the existing requirements of applications like robustness, hardness, microstructure and diamond spread. CUMI Speed 500 blades are quality assured based on stringent European standard tests. CUMI